And good evening, I'm Charles Benson. Fear that students have fallen behind could mean your child's school year will start earlier in the fall. Katie Crowther tells us what some local school districts and state officials are considering.
Kids learning through a computer screen or phone screen while at home like this has likely taken quite a toll on student comprehension.
Districts are now figuring we need to understand how far behind our students are compared to what they would have been otherwise, and then decide what to do about it.
Dr. Curtis Jones studies and evaluates Wisconsin's education system. He says there's no real data yet for our state when it comes to knowing specific achievement gaps created by the pandemic. He points to a national study done by the Northwest Evaluation Association.
They estimated that students are developing their reading skills about 2/3 as fast as they would have been had they been in regular school instruction, and math even more impactful, about half as fast as they would have been otherwise. Students who and families who are more marginalized to begin with typically bear the brunt of the impact.
One possible solution being thrown in the mix affects when kids return to school after summer break.
We're making sure that next year we start, maybe even start early.
Wisconsin's Department of Public Instruction has long established September 1st as the first day of the school year for state public schools. Evers says they could change that temporarily, but it would be up to each school district on whether it wants to bring students back to class earlier.
I think giving more districts local control and allowing them to make the decisions that are best for their students is really promising.
Shorewood is considering making changes to next year's school calendar.
We have a medical advisory group that has spoken to us a little bit about their recommendations around starting early so that we can use the outdoor space more, take advantage of the fact that it's warmer in August.
Better weather means the ability to keep school windows open for ventilation. But starting the school year early could impact summer plans and scheduling for a lot of families. We expect to hear what some districts like Shorewood plan to do within the next few weeks. Katie Crowther, TMJ4 News.
And we asked the Department of Health Services about this, and they say every teacher in Wisconsin will have had the chance to receive their first dose of the vaccine by the end of this month.